Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a weighted blanket from Weighted Idea. This one is for children. There's been a lot of buzz about weighted blankets promoting sleep and reducing anxiety. This is the Weighted Idea sensory blanket. This blanket is 7 pounds, but they are available in different weights as well for adults and children. And the sources will recommend the blanket is from 10 to 15% of body weight to calculate how heavy you want the blanket. They're available in a variety of colors. This one, as you can see, is in navy blue, but in some lights it's so dark it almost looks black. This blanket measures 41 by 60, but they are available in a range of sizes, but this is a pretty good size here.
Because it's for me.
Because it's for you. The exterior cloth of the blanket is 100% cotton, and it is filled with hypoallergenic sand-sized poly pellets to give it weight.
What? That's weird.
You can see it's 100% cotton.
Let me see.
Non-toxic poly pellets.
Let me see. Oh,
so
yeah.
this is a dry clean only type of blanket.
I see that. It feels kind of soft. I think it's soft.
The product insert does state that it's dry clean, but you can hand wash it as well.
It's soft because I said it's soft.
It is. It would be a good idea to get a duvet cover to fit over the blanket, and that way it would allow it to keep clean. I didn't realize at first when I looked at the Amazon listing that this required a duvet cover, but I went back and looked and saw that they are sold separately. But you could use any duvet cover that fits. It doesn't have to be from the same company. There are individually stitched pockets to keep the distribution of the weight uniform here, like a little quilted sections here.
Quilt. Like your quilted.
And there are tabs to connect to a duvet.
Like your quilted questions.
In the corners here. These weighted blankets are designed to simulate the feeling of being held or hugged.
Hugged.
So this is the insert that comes with the Weighted Idea blanket, showing how it works, who can benefit from it, the precautions, care instructions for the blanket, and also the optional duvet cover you can get. There is research showing that they can increase serotonin and melatonin levels and decrease cortisol levels, which improves mood and promotes sleep. They are used to reduce or manage symptoms of autism, PTSD, ADHD, sleep disorders, and nervous system disorders. So I'm going to show you how my son likes the blanket. These weighted blankets are obviously used for beds, but could also be used for snuggling on sofas or chairs.
My feet are strong.
Yeah. So how do you like it?
It feels soft.
Does?
Comfortable.
Is it relaxing?
Yep.
Feeling sleepy?
Yeah. Just makes me feel good and awesome.
All right, well, that's a look at the Weighted Idea sensory blanket. Please check the description section below for more information and links to our social media. Thanks for watching.
Bye.